Once you click the first link in the description, it actually bring you right here. So as you can see my dashboard, like this website just launched today. So if you want to invest, you can just invest now. So and try to invest what you can afford to do. It's very, very important. So once you are here, all you need to just put your phone number, put your password, repeat your password, and click on this right here and put this number you're seeing right here. So after that, you just click on this sign up. It will actually bring you right here. So right, you can see how the website look like. So this is a new launch website. So I know one of the rules of online business that you should invest in newly launched website. So right here, as you can see their packages right here. If you invest 2,100 naira, you're gonna be getting 525 naira there, 525 naira there. If you invest 6,800, you're gonna be getting 1,770 naira daily. So if you invest 15,000, you're gonna be getting 4,000 naira daily. So you can see the total amount you can get from this website is 240,000. If you invest 36,000, you're gonna be getting 10,000 daily. So it's left for you to invest what you can afford to lose. So as you can see, their package is right here. So it's just for you to select and invest what you can afford to lose. And right here, you can see that from this market, you see that they give you 200 as a welcome bonus. So right here, you can also download their app. Right here, this website right here have app. So for you to invest, first of all, you need to come right here and click on this my and come right here and click on this recharge. Once you click on this recharge, come right here and put the amount you want to invest. Assuming I want to invest 6,800 right here, just come right here and click on this recharge now. Once I click on this recharge now, it's actually bringing me right here. So I say right, you need to make payment to this account right here. Make payment right here. After that, you then come back right here and click on this confirm payment. As you can see right here, so very, very important. So right here, so right here, so if you just come right here, you can see that this social right here have referral program where you can refer someone at earn commission. Right here, you can see that right here, first level right here is 30%, second level right here is 1%, while third level right here is 1%. So for you to withdraw your money, all you need to do is just come right here and click on this bank. Come right here, put your bank details. So come right here, choose, just put your bank name right. After that, put your account number right. After that, put your account number right. And click on this add. Very, very important. There you then come right here and click on this withdraw right here. I click on this withdraw right here. You can see that the minimum okay, this one right here is withdrawal record. So you can see that the minimum withdrawal right here is 1,000 naira is the minimum withdrawal. So just come right and click on this withdrawal. You can see, just put the amount you want to withdraw and click on this withdraw now. So you can see I've not add my bank details right here. That's why you're taking me right here. You can see balance I have right here is 200 naira. If I invest, I'm gonna be withdrawing every year. So this person is paying massively right now. So you can invest what you can afford to lose. Very, very important. I'll actually give you a valid this video. All I want to do for me also subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you for watching.